Hello family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S kitchen. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best, easiest, authentic Ghanaian Toolo beef, aka salted beef. This is a requested video from my followers. I decided to post this video and show you how I make my authentic Ghana, just like homemade, the taste and everything so delicious. Come with me and let's start cooking. Alright friends, so I have here beef and I'm using the brisket. This is the one with the fat. Yes, this beef contains a lot of fat, and we all know authentic Ghanaian beef has a lot of fat in it. That is where the flavors are stored. Alright friends, so I'm telling you, the one with fat in it, when it comes to Toolo beef, this is the best meat to use. Okay, so I went to the market and I did my research. I found out the best beef that you can use for this recipe. And trust me, you ain't gonna play with these market ladies out there, because when they cut this beef, they cut it in the way that yes, that's how I'm doing it right now. So go ahead and dice up the beef like in whichever way that you want it. So when it comes to this recipe, it doesn't have to be the exactly like how I am cutting it. It can be a little bigger or smaller. It just depends on your preference. Alright friends, so this beef is already washed before I cut it into pieces. So next I am going to use my stick seasoning. With this I got some from Walmart, and I think this market's also called Aldi's has it. So if you are interested, they have it at Aldi's and Walmart. But if you are in Ghana, I believe you can get some good beef seasoning, for this recipe. You don't need a lot, just a little bit of it. And this is just a little twist that I'm adding into just to get more flavor. Next, I have here my anise seeds. I know anise seeds, you can get it from anywhere. And next, I have my black pepper. Black pepper is available like all the stores. Maybe a could be a seasoning, it's all available. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of that. So next I have in here my cloves. Cloves is so delicious. I have a very good flavor and I really love it. So I'm going to use that one to season this beef as well. Yeah, very nice, and I want the smell to be very powerful, just like the one that I usually get from Ghana. So next I have here my bay leaves. You can just use any amount that you prefer. I'm making a lot of beef today, so I'm using a lot of bay leaves. Alright family, so go ahead and mix them really well and make sure that it is nice and well seasoned. We want this to taste really delicious. If I say I get extremely delicious, even than the market ones. Okay, yeah, so go ahead and add. When you add the seasoning, you can tell a big difference. So next I have in here my salt. I'm using this rocky salt that I got from the store, and that is the only salt I am going to add. I'm not adding any extra salt because this one contains a lot of sodium and it should be enough for this recipe. So friends, could you imagine how easy to make your own salted beef? It is so simple, and I know that it is so delicious. When you follow these instructions, you will love it. The result is going to be really amazing. You will come back and ask me, Bapa, thank you for this recipe. So next I am throwing a few garlic in there because I want to get more good smell, because garlic has a very powerful flavor and I really love it. But if you don't like garlic, you can skip this part. So on this part I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm using my plastic wrap, and I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna put it back in the fridge for a day. Aya akono ankasa. So this is how it looks the following day. It is looking just like your favorite market beef. The salted beef that you buy from your favorite market in Ghana. This is exactly how it is. So I believe that you want to try this recipe because it is so delicious. So if you are thinking about making Angwamo or jollof rice or even okra soup or okra stew, any soup that you have in mind, you need to try this recipe. Try this beef and I promise you that you will come back for more. OBAAPA kitchen now know OBAAPA recipes, and I will know this is how it is. You will come back for more, I'm telling you. And this is how I store them, and after that I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. If I don't use it, I will just leave it in the freezer for as long as it can stay. Yeah, this is how I make my homemade beef. I hope you really have fun and enjoy this video. If you did, please like the page and subscribe, and show your love, and then please let me know if you have any additional question. Alright friends, so now we all know how to make salted beef. This is the best recipe to share with your friends and loved ones. Like I always say, no need to buy, make it. Make it happen. Thank you so much for watching once again, and until I see you again, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.